Let's get our pasta measured and measure 300 grams of dry linguine. Now, Karen had a good question for me. She was buying fresh. And so she said, you know, how much do I get in fresh? You know, if I was doing fresh pasta, is it the same? Is it more? Is it less? And it's actually more in weight. And here's the logics behind that. Dry pasta, 300 grams, is a good serving for 4 people. You know how you can buy those little plastic cutouts with the little holes, and you're supposed to insert the amount of pasta in there that you want to tell you how many people it's going to serve. You've seen those things? It's just gimmicky. Don't waste your money on it, because it only works for long pasta. Even if that's correct, who knows? Because it's going to say how long the pasta is, right? And you can't stick, you know, maybe 5 or 6 little pennies in that little hole. Say, oh, that's enough for 4 people. It's not going to work. So go by weight instead. A 75-gram portion per person is going to give a half decent size portion of pasta per person. It's not going to be a huge portion, but it's not going to be a little side dish portion either. 75 grams. That's what I want you to always write down and always remember when you're dealing with weight, because we've all been there, right? You open up a package of pasta, like, how much of this am I going to put in the pot? And how much? I don't want to make too much. I'm going to make sure I have enough. 75 grams per person will be good. And that's why this recipe says 300 grams dry and it serves 4. If you're using fresh pasta, the rule of thumb I always do is you times the dry weight that a recipe says by 1.5, and that'll give you the fresh weight. Because fresh pasta obviously is fresh, it's not dried out, so it still has some of the moisture in it, and it's not going to absorb as much moisture in the pot because it's not going to be boiled as long either. So 300 grams of dry pasta, I would use 450 grams fresh in the same recipe. Always make a mental note of that. 1.5 times the dry pasta will give you weight in fresh pasta if you're buying fresh for a recipe. Or maybe you've made fresh and you want to weigh it out and use it for a recipe. Okay. Whether it's my recipe or anybody's recipe, if it has a weight measurement for the pasta, that's what you do for the fresh. Okay.